Welcome back as we proceed to demonstrate various methods of seal installation. Wherever practically possible, a seal should be installed using a press. The seal cover is placed squarely under the press ram, and the seal is fitted into the bore with the spring side toward the lubricated side of the housing. Enter the seal as level as you possibly can. Then, using a pressing dolly, press the seal firmly into its housing bore. The seal should be flush with the cover face. We are now ready to install the cover onto the machine. To avoid damaging the seal lip with the shaft's keyway, we shall use a plastic sheet to act as a fitting sleeve. The seal lip is oiled before fitting. Carefully slide the cover housing into position and then fasten the necessary screws. In cases where the seal is to be fitted without dismantling the work, then proceed by oiling the lip using the same oil type as in the machine. And using a suitable fitting sleeve, slide the seal into position. With metal case seals, apply some sealant to the outer case only. Select a suitable dolly and then drive the seal carefully into the housing. Remember, once a seal has been damaged, it is useless, so exercise care when fitting. Most seals, when correctly fitted, will be flush to the outer face of the housing. When the correct tools are unavailable, such as when you're on a breakdown, then a seal may be fitted by carefully driving in the seal using a piece of flat hardwood timber. Again, check to ensure that the seal is flush fitted to the cover or housing face. After the break, we shall discuss some common causes of seal failures.